Okay. Hello everyone. How are you doing out there? This is Gurusson Gamer. Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna take a look at the Commodore 64 game called Cacorm. And this is by Inufuto from 2022, so pretty new game actually. So this is a cool game. I have played it from time to time over the last 2 weeks or so. So let's jump into the game and see if we can get anywhere. I need to choose joystick here. I play with my controller. Alright, so here we go. So I need to catch all these stars here and trap them, so to speak. Shit! I lost a life already. So there are the different strategies one can use here. And I can of course get extra life if I play better than I did there. So now I think I'm good here. There you go, all stars. So let's see here. So it will be slightly tougher of course from stage to stage here. And later on I will have to deal with more ghosts. So I think there will be I have played until there was some 3 of them, but there will probably be even more later on. I don't know how many stages there is, but I know that this game came out also on a few other systems like Amstrad and Spectrum. Don't know if it came out on any more systems. I have not done my homework, but this is a very addictive little game. I really enjoy this one. The music is very repetitive. Now I have an extra life there, thank you. Yeah, the music is very annoying actually. It is good, but now in the 4th stage here, I have heard it now and I am tired. I'm tired of it. Hey! Okay, so now I will lose my line here. When I did like that. So if I run into my own line, it will disappear. Like now again, because they are after me. They are really enjoying. No, they are really annoying. Sorry, I don't know what I'm talking about. And he's circling me again, bastards. Shit, I didn't know that I was going to get stuck here so early on, but... Okay, so there you go, and I have another extra life, and shit! And I lost that extra life immediately. Okay, so now I will collect all these 2 left here. So there you go, so now stage 5 here. And this is my last life I think. So have to try to do a little better here. So that was 1 star. And they are after me here. Haha. Okay, so now I have 1 star left. Piss off. Oh shit, that was a close one. Yes. Yeah, this developer, that Inufuto or whatever they're called. Shit. Game over. Okay, I'm not gonna try again here. We have seen 5 stages at least, so or 6 of them actually. I reached 6th level. Yeah, Inufuto. Yeah, cool developer. They have done various cool indie games, and this is one of them. A very, really good one. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10 for this one. A very, very addictive little game. I strongly recommend it. So that's it for today. Have a good one. Goodbye.